Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapters 18 and 19. Give one word. So let's start with this chapter. Give one word for the group of words. So following are the groups of words and you have to give one word for those group of words. Isn't it? Choose the correct answer from the words given in the box. I am giving answer. Fit to be eaten, edible, which can be eatable. Understood? Incapable of being read. Illegible means finding difficult to read. Incapable of being heard. Inaudible. Incapable of being seen. Can't see properly. Invisible. Liable to catch fire easily. Liable means likely. Likely to catch, which catches the things which catches fire very easily, known as inflammable. For example, petrol, then liquid petroleum gas, LPG, etc. A cinema show or a drama or a musical performance in the afternoon. Matinee means the performances which are done in the afternoon time. Understood? That is known as matinee. Incapable of being believed. Incredible. Someone who does unique performance. Understood? Amazing or extraordinary, which is difficult to be believed. That is called incredible. One who is present everywhere. Omnipresent. For example, God. We see God everywhere, isn't it? Belonging to the Middle Ages. Medieval. A period between 1100 and 1500 AD is known as medieval period or Middle Ages. A style full of words. Verbose. Now verbose, it means using more words than necessary to express thought. Understood? What does it mean? It means using more words than necessary to express one's thought. That is known as verbose. A stage performance given by dancers. Ballet means it is a style of dancing that tells a story with music but without words. Next, instructions for cooking food. Recipe, what all ingredients we need. Understood? The process, that is known as recipe. An organism that lives on or in another form which it gets food. Parasite, it is kind of a worm. Understood? Next, the path of any planet around the sun is known as orbit. Orbit means a circular path. Understood? That one object in space takes around another one. Understood? Next, one who carries away human beings forcefully or illegally. Kidnapper. A person who makes an eloquent speech. Eloquent means very good. Understood? Very expressive speech. One who gives very expressive speech. Nice language, using good language, very fluent speech is known as orator. A bundle of corn stalks. Sheaf. Next chapter, chapter 19, abbreviations. Now abbreviations means short forms. So that's what we are going to learn in this chapter. As the column A, abbreviations, and the column B, its full form. Write the correct number of the column B in the boxes given in column A. Answers. First, AD. What's the full form of AD? AD means Anno Domini. That means in the year of the Lord. BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. BC, Before Christ. CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force. FCI, Food Corporation of India. FRI, Forest Research Institute. GPO, General Post Office. IAF, Indian Air Force. IMA, Indian Military Academy. IPC, Indian Penal Code. INA, Indian National Army. IST, Indian Standard Time. NDA, National Defense Academy. PA, Personal Assistant. So these were the short forms and its full forms. That's all for today. Go through it. See you next time.